Hi there. A photographer Sam Davis has taken an amazing photographs of an eel snake that burst out of the stomach of an heron bird. As you guys know, the snake eel has the capacity of digging a hole. This is what happens when the heron swallows the snake eel. The snake eels make a great escape of bursting up the stomach of the heroine bird. But unfortunately, the snake eel doesn't make a full escape. The half of its body is still stuck in the stomach of the heroine. So the snake eel got died. But rather, we can say the heroine bird is still or not. I imagine the bird can't live more longer because of that injury. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.